All right, to politics now. Governor Cuomo nominating Nassau County District Attorney Nassau Singas to the highest court in the state. Our Tama Ponton is live in Mineola tonight to explain what happens next and what this means for Nassau County. Tama.
Well, Rich, we are outside of Nassau Singas' office here at the Nassau County Court building, where she has officially served as DA since being elected in November of 2015. And after the announcement today from Governor Cuomo nominating Singas to the New York State Court of Appeals, the focus now turns to Singas' legacy, the confirmation process, and just who might be the next DA here in Nassau.
She's just got the right temperament, the right experience. She's been a public servant her whole life, her whole career.
Fred Klein, a Hofstra law professor and a former Nassau assistant district attorney, says if confirmed to the New York State Court of Appeals, Nassau Singas' decision would impact New Yorkers far beyond the boundaries of Nassau County.
The Supreme Court makes criminal procedure law constitutionally for the country, but New York State, through the Court of Appeals, has carved out exceptions to the Supreme Court cases, making more restrictions on the police in the criminal justice area. So for people interested in social justice, criminal justice, the New York Court of Appeals is very, very important.
Today, Governor Cuomo nominated DA Singas to the New York State Court of Appeals, and if confirmed, she will fill the vacancy of Judge Leslie Stein, who is retiring in June. In a statement to News 12, Singas said, "I am honored by the governor's nomination to serve on New York's highest court, and I look forward to the confirmation process." Nassau Executive Laura Curran says Singas would leave big shoes to fill in the district attorney's office.
So Nassau County was deemed the safest community in America by U.S. News & World Report. Nassau Singas' work and the district attorneys and all of her team, it's a big part of the reason why that's the case.
Tama, this had been talked about, but now that it's actually happening, it really shakes things up on the Nassau political scene. So the next question is, if Singas is confirmed, who becomes the next district attorney?
Well, Rich, according to Professor Klein, two things might happen. He says the normal line of succession is that the chief assistant DA would automatically assume Singas' duties as soon as she's sworn in. Or Governor Cuomo would have the option to choose an interim DA until an election is held for the position. Now, Professor Klein tells us he doesn't think that there's likely enough time to have that election in November, but we will continue to keep an eye on things. In Mineola, outside the Nassau County Court building, I'm Tama Ponton, News 12.